All right, hello, welcome to Quanta Lights. Today we're going to talk about the Atlas, which is Quanta's pendant light option offered to the aquarium market. And we're just going to go over the features and what comes with it. And there is 2 kits, so I'll go through those different options. All right, so basically this is definitely a unique offering for the reef tank LED lighting. There's 720 LED diodes on this light, which is significantly more than most lights on the market. And you can also see that there's no fans on this design. There's a heat sink. It has dimming, 0 to 10 volt dimming. I do have a video out about the dimming, and it has a very long cord. Why? You shouldn't have to have extension cords on a cord. It should be the right length. You don't want to have anything exposed to salt water, so we put a 16-foot cord on this. All right, a couple more things to talk about. This is a fully waterproof design. I've loosened this for the demonstration, but this is your only exposure point on the whole light. And you can see it's a gasketed design to protect the switch inside. Our design philosophy is that these lights should last in a saltwater environment, and if you splash some water on them, they should not break. So here's the key features of this light. We've already talked about the 720 LEDs. That is a ton. Why do we do that? The efficiency of this light is unrivaled. And compared to other $1,000 light options, this thing, the Atlas, will put out roughly 70% more light watt per watt. So if you're a coral farmer, you can save a ton of money on energy alone. But let's talk about the cleaning. This is a fully gasketed design. You can see there's a gasket on the outside edge and the inside edge, fully enclosed electronics. So to clean this light, you would simply take it to the sink, gently spray it down with water on both sides, and you clean it up. So it's ease of maintenance. We do have the 0 to 10 dimming, like I said, but if you're in a coral farm and you're setting up 50 of these lights, we also have a switch right here. And what this does is it goes from 150 watts to 200 watts to 240 watts. So most aquaculture facilities have their own par meter, and they know the par they're going for their coral. This makes it very easy and quick to tune the tank to get results and move on to the next thing. And most aquaculture facilities, using this on a timer to turn them on and off is what they do. So easy to clean, lots of LEDs, very efficient, no fan, waterproof ballast driver. And the last thing I want to go over on this light is, all right, so you have a reflector. There's 2 options of this light. One is with reflector and one is without reflector. When to use what? If you're farming, you need the reflector. This is probably one of the few, if not only, light that has 0 disco effect. I have not been able to recreate disco effect when you use the reflector. This reflector is actually more of a diffuser than anything, and it will provide a blanket of light. This light does not have hot spots. It is a very even and gentle blanket of light. And I want to talk about that light. In here, we use a lot of violet LEDs and not as many blue and royal blue. Royal blue and blue are fine, but manufacturers overuse them because they're cheap and they put out a lot of par. They try to get par over what the corals need. This light offers a violet first experience, much like the metal halides of past. The 420 to 430 nanometer peak is present in this light. We do have some blue and royal blue, of course. We have cyan and green. This is a full spectrum light. This is designed to grow corals. This is designed to look exactly like a 14,000K metal halide from Ushio is the standard. Of course, we can't recreate the deep UV light that a halide makes or the infrared. And I don't see compelling evidence on why either of those are important. We're focusing on what helps grow the coral, which is from violet to red. The white LEDs that we use in here are a 90 CRI variety, so you do get a very nice color profile and color rendering. So you also get a hanging kit. This is the hanging hook mount, and that's what comes in the kit. If you don't have a huge aquaculture facility and you want to light your tank, these are a great replacement for the $1,000 lights that you might be growing tired of their apps malfunctioning or breaking of fans or poor performance. You buy it without the reflector, and these things will do a great job lighting up a 2 foot by 2 foot or even a 2 foot by 3 foot area to grow SPS and LPS corals. Again, you can change the output with the selectable wattage or the 0 to 10 volt dimming. So if you're a new aquarist and you want to start with just a couple sticks and you want to progress to a full-blown SPS tank, this light will take you there. I do want to kind of talk about the compatibility with the Helix light bars, which are covered in another video, and that we do offer mounting kits that will take the Helix and they'll mount it to the Atlas. And this is designed on purpose to be very representative of the old school metal halide with the VHO actinic light bars. This will give you that look. It'll also give you incredible coral growth and coloration. So it's really a great combination. They work well together. They've been designed from a spectral output to work together. So that is the workhorse of the industry, and the pricing on this is absolutely very hard to beat. $500 with the reflector and $450 without. And when you're looking at output of roughly almost 2 times $1,000 light, you're looking at a 4 times better value. And if you're an aquaculturist, the efficiency of this fixture and the cost of this fixture will result in about 60% reduced total 5-year cost of ownership. So think hard past the sponsored talking heads when you're setting up your aquaculture facility. If you want my input, you need a simple, reliable workhorse light that is efficient, reliable, and takes 5 minutes to clean every year. This is your light, quick to hang, quick to start, and it produces results. And like I said, roughly a 60% reduction in your 5-year total cost of ownership compared to a very popular $1,000 light that you see in a lot of farms that they get sponsored to have it in there. So this is your actual option that you really want to be looking at if you're a small farmer and you're not getting those sweetheart deals from the major lighting companies. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions, hit me up on email. We will take care of you. Thank you.